111. Hi Pavel, this is my second actually attempt to record the screencast of how to build and how to start and what issues we experiencing right now on the project and why actually I'm asking you to test it on your side. Okay, so first of all, let's see where we are. We're supposed to be inside of the code C1, and here I have to just execute the usual manual build. I'm skipping the test because there are no actually tests in the project, as you might know. So we're building, and as a result, we are getting two files. We have to get actually the var file and the yar file. We have to put them into the deploy of the default configuration of our server. This is our repos. I just took the standard one from the internet. So it's server default deploy, and here I have to put our two files. That's deleted for now. Yeah, them build it. Yeah, and here is a bit of magic. What we have to do now. So first of all, the yar file is builded perfectly well, so we just can take it as it is. This one. Yeah, great. Now just take it and put to the deploy. But with the var file we have problems. Despite of all my attempts to get rid of this XML piece jar, it's still somehow included in the library, so we cannot just take this var file and put it into the deploy because it will not started because of this jar inside. So what actually we have to do after we build it, it with mine, we have to go to this folder. For being free, find this bastard library, piece deleted, and now actually we have to build from this var file, from this folder, the new var file, okay? Just with usual jar command, which I always actually forgetting. So it's supposed to be Jipos var, yeah. Let's see where we are. We have to go to the oops. Here we have Jipos var. Here we have target. Yeah, here we have this Jipos var file. Yeah, and all we have to do is have to put this into the var file. So proper name. Yeah, so jar cfv cdf plus var var, and we include everything from here. And now you have the correct var, but without the bastard folder, this one. We are taking it and putting to the deploy folder. So right here. Yep. Now we're ready actually to start. This is our server. Just putting your attention that we do not have any additional modules, because once you create this runtime server, it will pick up the configuration from the project and it will actually create the Jipos var module here in the deployment, yeah? And which is here, it is okay, but we do not have to have it here. So if you have, we can try to add, yeah. If you will have it here, like Jipos var here, yeah? You will have to delete it because we don't need it here. So we just need to start it. Let's start. While it's starting, I just will tell you a bit about what do we have in our var file. In var file we have just very few HTMLs, actually two of them. We have the index.html, which is our welcome file. We can go to the web XML and see that index.html is a welcome file. So, and this is actually the file which you'll see. And as you can see, this is the file just telling us that everything is working. No actually some form, no actually some button, no ability to test if GPT is working. So that's why I'm asking you, do you remember any URLs? So which URL you used when you thought that you saw actually that Google services was working, because I cannot test it. So beside of this index here, I just have this one AC1, and funny thing, inside of it we just have a comment div, and then we have iframe, and this iframe just enabling the history. I failed to find somewhere in the configuration of the project some routing to this file, and I failed to get it from the web, so I don't know how to access this file and actually if this is what we need. Okay, so we are started now. Yeah, we started without any problems. Yeah, everything is okay. Let's go and see what we have. Yeah, please never mind on this red marks here, it's always like this. I'm not building and not compiling inside of this Eclipse, I'm just showing you the code I'm building with the Maven, so no problem. Okay, so we have it on localhost. 8080. Yeah, I had the GPOs. Thank you. We have the admin console. It's working, right? This is the default, admin is admin, so the password is also admin. Yeah. So first of all, our EGBs, they are compiled inside of ER. Everything is here, including the security. About the security, it is sort of working. I will go to this back later. So this is it, and this is we have our var, and the root var, this is a standard GPOS var, and this is our var. Yeah. It is working, it is rewardable, and so on and so on. So let's try to see. And yeah, we have GPOS var. And we see this awesome index.html page. Yeah. I tried different things here. For instance, we have reporting. It looks like this is yeah, this is not the web URL. This is the business URL. Here we have LC1. The context is up and running. I guess. What's going on? My always type it in this typos. Yeah, but as you can see, get is not supported because we do not have the web interface here. This is just the business logic. But again, this is all I have. I have no way, and I failed to find how to test if everything else is working. What I wanted to tell you, what was actually one of the problems. You see, if you will go through the code, if you will go through the XMLs, having login into name and login configuration into name, you will see the blocks of codes, the mbeans and beans and configurations commented. And for instance, inside of this security, security EGB, in meta-inf we have this JBoss service. Yeah, this is it. I try to show it here. This is that root of the evil ambin. If you compile the security with this ambin uncommented, so actually if you force our JBoss to use this login config, to use this ambin, and see this is a standard dynamic login config bin. It actually created with the ambient services, and it shall to serve the logins, the admin logins to our application. But you see, I even cannot find where to try to do this admin login, because no HTML pages for this. Yeah. Okay. If you uncomment this and build with this uncommented, it comes with the concurrency, with the struggle with all other configuration, and actually it looks like this ambin will be built several times, will try to be deployed several times. I actually followed several instructions how to avoid this, so cover this dynamic login into SAR inside of the ER. But if I do it here, we have still problems, because we have problems then with loyalty. So loyalty also tries to use the JBoss security system. So we have lots of problems here if you are trying to use this dynamic config, and I didn't solve it. And actually, shall I solve it or not? Because this stuff is supposed to be used with this, I guess, authentication. Now we have different authentication uncommented here. So this is just like different pieces of two different approaches, and they are right now in commented in the state where they are not working together. So if you cannot actually access the previous developer, and I actually found his email somewhere inside of the code, so if you want I can try to access him, like, okay, I got this project in my hands without mentioning your name, so just like developer to the developer. Maybe this will work. But in the state in which project is now, the security I think is not working, but as I already told you, I even cannot test it. So if you like, I can write the description how to build it, because beside of that change with which I told you, so we shall compile excluding that evil XML jar. Yeah, we also have to change the order in the deployers here. Let me go. What was this? No. Somewhere in this deployer, somewhere in this file, we have to mention that the vars always shall be deployed after yars, and this actually was also the problem. Our var was deployed before the yar, and actually it tries to find the registered pins which are not being registered. Okay, I have notes about it. I just will find in which bin it was. It was like the order. Yeah. But anyway, the easiest way right now is from me is to give you the compiled var and ER for you to start it on your server and play around trying to figure out how to test it, because yeah, I don't have much ideas about how to do it because I don't see the HTML pages. Yeah, my time is almost done. I have only 15 minutes. I will deploy this to the YouTube and send you the link. The video will be unlisted, so no one else will see it. Hopefully this will give you a clue of the state of the project. So have a nice day and bye bye.